Today is Sunday, May 13th, and I have all the vlogs edited up until yesterday. So I'm really excited about that. It is like 2 o'clock and I have a whole bunch of stuff I need to do. Yes, including shutting that off. So I just edited like all my nail videos yesterday, and I have like 3-4 tutorials. Then I have, sorry, you're sideways, 2-3 hauls. I have my creepy hand haul, but I'm kind of obsessed because it does look real. But right, how creepy is that? But my trick is to have a piece of like clothing to cover like this part. So Demi, it's Mother's Day. We just had a huge cuddle fest like for an hour. Yeah? Yeah? Hmm? Don't bite, Mom. Don't do that. Just love me. Not that much because you're about to bite because you're getting frisky. I'm excited to do tutorials using this. Sorry, I'm like leaning because I don't want to, there we go, cat moved. Because I think it'll look right. I gotta get some glue to glue these tips down. They just come out. It's like creepy. In the video, I can link it if you want. I'm not gonna show it in this video because like this is a vlog and it's not like, but like pulling the tips out is so freaking creepy. But this hand was definitely, hey, just give myself a hand, you know? Just kidding. It's so weird. I think I'm gonna make it a her because she's wearing some rings. Yeah, I need to do some orders. I have like 10 orders open. I am just like secretly putting new things up. I'm not like advertising it because for PBC, I want like all the new things up. So essentially I'm just putting them up, and then if people see them, they can order it if they want. But I'm just not like stating, oh, by the way, this kit is new and you can go get it. Not because I don't want to, not because I don't want full price things, but I'm trying to just really prep for PBC. And then I've gotten so many questions about these icons, if I will do another color wave in them, and I absolutely want to. Yeah, I think that's it. But people don't like the size. They don't like the full sheet. They want like, that's a little sheet. They want like quarter sheets so they can get more and it be more affordable. So I'm definitely going to drop the price quite a bit when obviously I do quarter sheets, but it's like, it takes a very long time to cut those. That's why they're at the price they're at. So even dropping the quarter sheet, they'll probably still be $3.75. But you know, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 or 8 of the icons times 5. That's a lot of money. So by dropping it, people I still think feel like they get enough without like spending so much money, because there's a lot of icons on those sheets. So I think I'm going to make them smaller, like finish out the round I have with these. And I'm probably gonna deactivate them. I should probably deactivate them today. Make the same colorway but smaller, and then add another colorway for PBC. I'm thinking just I kind of wanted to do a patriotic one. Not that blues and stuff aren't like bad. So maybe, because I wanted to do like an all pink. So I feel like I might do an all pink one. I don't know, we'll see. So I will see you guys in a little bit. So it is now 4:30. And I have a lot of these guys done. I think I have 3 left open. And I have to print off quite a bit and cut custom vinyls. And then I gotta weed some of these guys in here too. I think I'm gonna take a break. I have some more laundry to do. My office is a mess because, you know, prepping. Oh, I am a mess already. Hey guys, ugh. It is some day of the week, May 15th at 7:24. I am printing off pictures for my Hobonichi. I want to kind of backtrack for the year, and I have like 4 months to do. I did some of April already because I got it in April, so like it's not terrible, but like I don't have any for February. Well, I might have like a couple, and then I have a couple in January, but March is like almost all empty. And then February, like I said, I have a couple. So I printed off some pictures, or I'm going to, because I really want to like start that. Like if I do a couple a day or like even a couple a week, like I feel like I can get it going. Like these are the ones I'm printing. Granted, it's half of it selfies, so you know. So I'm printing those guys, and then I'm gonna cut them because I figure last time I tried doing it like here, because I did some yesterday, day before. You can see, yeah, you can see that one just kind of drop. So it wasn't my favorite. That's even worse. I think that's worse. I don't know, but I kind of gave myself a break yesterday. From vlogging and everything. Stuff isn't supposed to ship for like a week and a half, so I have time. I'll still be a week early if I ship this weekend, which I'm thinking about just giving the rest of the week off. I am uploading stuff for PVC already. Right 2 new kits are already uploaded. I still have to reformat the 4th of July kit, and then I need to finish printing and cutting this guy, because I have to send that out to Jessica, and I thought I had done it already. Like I thought I did it, like I thought it was in Monday's orders, and it wasn't, so I'm an idiot. Thank God I went and checked and it wasn't there, and I was like, oh shit. So today's Tuesday. I don't know if I mentioned that. And I'm still tired. This weekend I did a lot of editing, So, but I don't have any planner videos that I edited. I actually don't have that many planner videos at all, which kind of sucks. But I have like a whole bunch of nail videos, which I guess a lot of people like my nail videos and my vlogs, but like I'm not doing anything interesting. I do need to get the vinyl names like finalized and like what font I want, and do like tests and do screenshots, because even when I did the See Amy Draws, people were still asking for like names that weren't part of that, just like their normal name. So I've been promising quite a few people of those, so I need to do that. Oh, it just printed. I can't wait to get a new chair. All right, also look, wait, no, over here. Let's try to look in the viewfinder. So I put my little guys up there. That is the new peppercorn that I got, and it's really cute. I don't know, like I'm keeping it, like I'm not selling it, but like I don't know, I just didn't like it as much as like I thought I would. I thought it would be like this amazing thing, and don't get me wrong, it's still amazing, but it's like not this breathtaking thing that I really thought it would be in my mind. And I guess maybe I just don't feel like it's a summer color, even though, I mean, it pretty much is. I don't know, I'm probably being super weird about it. Gotta put these is in the right cut settings, because my luck, I'll cut through it. That was the one thing I also hated, is that I didn't like cut it on the silhouette and I was cutting it on the guillotine. You should have seen me trying to get them. My cat somewhere, I just saw him. Like once I got one, I actually had to stick the other one like in it. And also nursing this wound from Louis, he wasn't getting enough attention from me on Mother's Day. Spoiler alert, he was, but I looked away and I still had like my hand there. He bit me and I wanted to do a new set, but I'm like, it's like, it literally went right to the edge here. Hello, stop focusing on me. And so if I like scoot, like it's all the way to the edge, it's like, So I didn't do a new set, although I got the creepy hand. I think I showed you guys the creepy hand. If not, that thing will be out way ahead of this. Like that may be my next video. Yeah, it was way easier than trying to do it. And I cheat and put like the dates right there. So yeah, I'm going to do some Hobonichi stuff, and I plan on doing flip throughs. I just have to get there. So and I gotta reformat those guys. I hope that's in frame, I can't see. Yeah, to smaller sheets, because you guys really want smaller sheets. And then, oh, there he is. He went to go get some noms. Because I think you guys like the option to get more and it be more affordable. So I'm listening, I promise, I'm listening. Give me all your suggestions, because I will take it. Right, Deanie? You wanna say hi to the vlog? Everyone loves you. Yeah. Does that make you feel good? Does that make you feel good? That you're so loved by everybody? Yeah. Yeah. All right, I'll see y'all later. Hey guys, I'm in glasses and I look pasty. It's fine. I feel like it's not even focusing because of my glasses. Maybe I need to adjust my view. No, it's still not focusing. Whatever. Is it focusing? Is it because I'm so pasty, it thinks like I blend in with the background? There we go. Every time it focuses on me. Anyway, welcome back. Today is, what's today? Wednesday, May 16th. I'm gonna redo my nails. And I want to do this guy, because obviously, and I'm thinking, I've got to figure out like other colors to go with it. I feel like Ready for Rio is a must, which is this one. I've actually worn this quite a bit on myself. And then I also got Pass the Torch, which I think would be a really pretty color to have that on top. Wrong thing. Almost put it on the wrong one. So I'm gonna look at colors and see what I like. I feel like maybe Show Me the Honey instead of Ready for Rio. I don't know if I want to go more coral. These look really similar, although one is definitely more coral. Oh, shit. Ready for Rio, because they look really similar. So yeah, I'm gonna look. Not gonna lie, I've been enjoying the shit out of my like non-work week, because BBC is about to gear up and rock my world. So I'm trying to like prep. I'm not even gonna be in town for BBC, so like my anxiety is a little bit up, I'm not gonna lie. But we'll see. So yeah, I'm gonna do my nails. I just don't know what yet. We'll see. Oh, terrible. Now you really can't see me, I blend in.